The finished seat wrinkle target tracking ironing system of Hanul System Company Limited. It is a smart manufacturing method that combines the existing seat processing system and ICT technology to improve quality, productivity, and stability. It consists of an AI deep learning vision system, a preheating booth for leather seats, 2 rolling darim collaborative robots for leather seats, 1 steam darim collaborative robot for fabric seats, and a heating booth, and is designed with a compact structure. The process of targeted wrinkle detection on the finished seat is carried out using a vision system to identify valid wrinkle areas. 2 photographs of the bag and cushion are taken, and the image acquisition program is used to create a precise image. The photos taken are processed using artificial intelligence and deep learning. Wrinkles are analyzed using a selective recognition program for wrinkles that have been learned, and at the same time, they are converted into learning data to conduct continuous deep learning. Based on the RFID tag information on the seat, the fabric seats are transferred to the steam ironing robot, while the leather seats are preheated in a leather seat-specific preheating booth with far infrared heating to make them suitable for ironing. The seats are then transferred to collaborative robots, 1 steam ironing robot for fabric seats and 2 roll-in ironing robots for leather seats, where they are intensively ironed by target wrinkle tracking based on the analyzed wrinkle information. The steam head for fabric seat is elastic rollers with high temperature steam gently and precisely remove wrinkles from the ironing surface, even in curved areas. Water from the steam process is fully recovered. No stain or foreign object damage to the seat surface. The rolling head for leather seat is closed rolling with hot air, and steam removes wrinkles by trimming applicable to both natural and artificial leathers. No need to set a temperature for each type of seat. Remove wrinkles without squeezing using moderate hot air and steam. After ironing, the leather seats are cooled down after far infrared heating in the last heating booth. Finish removing residual wrinkles from leather seats with shrinkage. All processes can be checked and controlled in real time through the control program for efficient management and can be applied to various seats such as fabric and leather seats. Hanul System Company Limited's finished seat wrinkle target tracking ironing system, which has proven its performance through numerous experiments and research and development, is of groundbreaking technology that can realize a smart factory by breaking away from the existing car seat process, which is more than 90% manual and is advancing the automotive industry. It will bring about a big change. Thank you.